Okay, hi YouTube, and we're outside, and we want to get a bunch of views. This video. Okay, so we're going outside. Check the chickens. They laid eggs. Also say hi to my cousin.
Don't shove it in my face.
I know. Okay. Dude, I won't do that. Okay, so we're here outside. Oh my gosh, it's kind of okay. We're outside. Here's one of my chickens, a rooster. He's game. He's bred for fighting.
I remember in one of our videos, he was the lucky one.
Yeah. Okay, dude, lift that up. Okay, hand. Did you lay an egg? Let's check there. Oh, did you lay an egg?
Ow.
Oh, sorry. I heard my had two. No eggs.
Nope, just poop.
Just poop. They laid 2 eggs yesterday.
Yeah. Tell them what the day is.
The date is November 15, 2014. No, I mean December 15th.
16th now.
No, it's December 15th.
My mom says whenever it's night, that means it's the next day.
Well, okay. This is hard. Can you hold the top here?
Alright.
Let's hold the top. Okay. Let's go. Okay, there's the door. And yeah, we're outside. Chickens. I hope we get a bunch of views. Here. There's the rooster.
Hey, check over here.
You know that rooster and the hen we used to have?
Yeah, he sold out.
Yeah, they sold him. He also sold out.
Go check the roosters.
It's the only rooster we have. We only have the 4 hens. Here is the chickens that used to be here. And yeah, they're gone. Gone chickens.
You mean roosters.
It was a rooster and a hen. The hen laid a bunch of eggs. We have 6 eggs in the incubator right now.
Alright.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. And bye.
See you in the next video.
Yeah, bye guys.